Possession fast, the future bought by owning past.